Here's a little quickie. This probably belongs on another channel because it's not bushcraft or anything like that. It's just, you know, it's something, you know, kind of fun to do if you're crafty like that. This is my daughter's snow globe, and I just thought I would just kind of give an idea on how to do this. Basically, you just find a jar, you know, at a home store or Whole Foods or Target or wherever you can find that sort of thing. And you may want to get some of that, with, you know, this is a jar with thread, so you may want to get some of that, how do you say, that tape that goes around the threads to cinch things down really tight. This hasn't leaked on me at all. I just took it apart just to look at it. It was losing some water. I guess it vaporizes and then seeps out as air. Water is a funny thing. Anyways, I was just adding a little bit more water. All it is just sparkles or sprinkles, glitter. I don't want to turn this upside down, but yeah, there's glitter in there, and water. That's all it is. And then on the cap, I glued like some kind of glitter or sparkle paper. And then if you're into dioramas or small little kind of, I don't know, figurines or whatever, you can just kind of super glue them or glue them in place. As I was filling this up, it came apart, so I'm going to redo this. And I just wanted to show you kind of how I did it. It turns out pretty cool. But again, if it's a diorama, you know, you're making a little miniature diorama. I know someone who actually does some really cool miniature diorama type things with scenery and stuff. You know, the sky's the limit of what you can do. So I'm just taking a little bit of glue here, and I'm just gonna pat this down. This is waterproof glue. Make sure it's waterproof. And I'm gonna let this sit. And I'm gonna let it sit for probably about 24 hours or so. Just to make sure it really sets really nicely. I don't have any clamps or anything like that. So I'm just going to let this sit. And then this will sit there tight. And then what I'll get to do is, once it's glued down solidly, I can put it on, screw this on tight, and then flip it upside down, and you've got a cool little snow globe. Relatively inexpensive. I think this was $2. This was like $3, the little unicorn, and the paper was another like $1 and some odd cents. So very inexpensive sort of gift you can make. Okay, so we've glued on our figurine onto our cap here, or glued together a diorama, whatever you choose to do. I'm going to make sure that this is topped off almost to the very top. As you can see, the glitter is starting to, yeah, so that's probably good enough, maybe more for displacement. And then we're going to carefully screw on our lid upside down, make sure it fits in. Hopefully we don't have any accidents. I use Gorilla Glue, waterproof Gorilla Glue, and it said waterproof on the package, so that's what I went with as opposed to anything else. But you know, a hot glue gun, crazy glue could work, I guess. But I want something that's waterproof. Epoxy definitely would work, but that just takes longer to set or to cure. And then we turn everything upside down, and we've got a little unicorn snow globe. You know, or a princess, or a prince, or a castle, or whatever your imagination can come up with. But you know, real quick and easy, relatively inexpensive, and this is how it's kind of done. So I just thought I'd share this for this gift giving season, and you know, I hope this is useful. It's not bushcrafty or primitive tech or anything like that, but I just thought I'd share that. It's that time of year, November 2023. So good luck with whatever you do. That'd be pretty cool to see what people are doing.